You've been involved in an accident. You've now come under the care of a doctor. Depending upon the severity of your injuries and the variety of different parts of your body that you've injured in that accident, you may be seeing a number of different doctors in a number of different specialties to treat the variety of injuries you have. I'm here to talk to you a little bit today about that relationship between you and your doctor after you've been involved in an accident. Hi, I'm Raymond Silverman. I'm one of the principal trial attorneys here in the law office of Parker Waichman. One of the things that some of us don't have any particular experience with sometimes is when we come under the care of various doctors. We may have had experience dealing with our family doctor if we've had a cold or we come under a flu, but for a lot of us, the experience of being involved in an accident and now being under the care of a number of doctors and going to see different specialties can sometimes leave us in a position where we don't know what to do and don't know how to interact. Your doctor's role is of vital importance to you in terms of getting better after an accident. Your doctor is going to be there for you to examine you, to treat you, and to make recommendations for you as to what he or she thinks is the best course of treatment. It's important to listen to your doctors and follow your doctor's advice. If a doctor recommends a certain test for you, don't delay. Make sure you get the test. If a doctor recommends a further course of treatment for you of some kind, make sure you follow the doctor's advice and go ahead and do that. Your role in terms of the way that you interact with your doctor is also of vital importance. It is of great importance to make sure that you speak to your doctors candidly and openly about the problems you're having. Sometimes we can all have a tendency to want to think we know what's going on best with our own bodies. We may be feeling something and think that it's nothing and have a tendency not to talk to our doctors about that. I'm here to tell you not to do that. If you're having a problem, if something is bothering you, you're best off to let your doctor decide if it's something that requires further investigation and let you know what the problem is. It's also of great importance to make sure that you talk to your doctor and give them as accurate and complete a medical history as possible. If you've had prior accidents where you've had injuries, make sure that you share with your doctor those problems. And even if you haven't had an accident, but you've had problems with a various part of the body that the doctor is treating for you, make sure that you disclose that to your doctor. Let him or her know about your history, because that history is going to be of great importance in terms of his or her ability to treat you appropriately. The experience of going to see doctors, especially multiple doctors after an accident, can be very intimidating for people, for particularly people who don't have experience going to doctors before. But if you follow these simple rules and this simple advice, listen to your doctor's advice, and share with them all of your complaints and your medical history, it'll be of great benefit to both your treatment as well as any potential lawsuit you pursue as a result of your injuries. My name again is Raymond Silverman. Thank you for listening today.